Axie Infinity value equivalent to $10.4093 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $9.93 to $97.9599. The earlier day close, $10.8280. The change was 06,787, 627%. Backwards rate, US to Ax. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at 0.89 coins. Excessive costs are 114, while lows on 89. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 100. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's ends on 106, change for June 19 1%. To start with cost at 0.106 coins. Exorbitant cost to 106, while lows on 85. The found the middle value of cost or 97. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's ends or 91, change for July 14 2%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for August 2024. To start with cost at 0.91 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.91, while lows on 74. The found the middle value of cost on 84. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's ends on 79, change for August 13 2%. US to Ax expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.79 coins. Exorbitant costs 79, while lows on 64. The found the middle value of cost on 73. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's ends on 68, change for September 13 9%. In the first place cost at 0.68 coins. Exorbitant costs on 73, while lows on 64. The found the middle value of cost 0.68. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's ends 0.68, change for October 0%. US to Ax expectation for November 2024. In the first place cost at 0.68 coins. Exorbitant costs on 70, while lows on 61. The found the middle value of cost 0.66. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 0.65, change for November 4%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for December 2024. To start with cost at 0.65 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.70, while lows are 61. The found the middle value of cost 0.65. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 0.65, change for December 0%. Initially cost at 0.63 coins. Excessive costs are 65, while lows in 57. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.62. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.61, change for February 3 2%. US to Ax expectation for walk 2025. Before all else cost at 0.61 coins. Excessive costs in 64, while lows in 56. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.60. The US to Ax figure toward the month's ends in 60, change for spring 6%. Initially cost at 0.60 coins. Excessive costs to 62, while lows in 54. The arrived at the midpoint of costs of 59. The US to Ax figure toward the month's end 0.58, change for April 3%. First and foremost cost at 0.58 coins. Exorbitant costs on 61, while lows on 53. The found the middle value of cost on 57. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's ends in 56, change for May 4%. In the first place cost at 0.56 coins. Exorbitant costs at 56, while lows on 45. The found the middle value of cost 52. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's ends 49, change for June 5%. To start with cost at 0.49 coins. Exorbitant costs at 50, while lows on 44. The found the middle value of cost on 48. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 0.47, change for July 1%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for August 2025. To start with cost at 0.47 coins. Exorbitant costs are 60, while lows were 47. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 53. The US to Ax figured toward the month's end 0.56, change for August 1%. US to Ax expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 0.56 coins. Excessive costs are 71, while lows are 56. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 62. The US to Ax figured toward the month's end 0.66, change for September 9%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for October 2025. At the outset cost at 0.66 coins. Excessive costs 81, while lows on 66. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 072. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 075, change for October 13.6%. Before all else cost at 0.89 coins. Excessive costs N89, while low zone 72. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 82. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end on 77, change for December 13.5%. US to Axie expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at 0.77 coins. Excessive costs in 77, while lows in 62. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.71. The US to Axie figure toward the month's ends on 66, change for January 14.3%. Dollar to Axie infinity figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 0.66 coins. Excessive costs from 66, while lows into 53. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.61. The US to Axie figure toward the month's ends in 57, change for February 13.6%. At the outset cost at 0.57 coins. Excessive costs 57, while lows on 46. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 52. The US to Axie conjectured toward the month's end 0.49, change for spring 14%. Dollar to Axie infinity conjecture for April 2026. To start with cost at 0.49 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.49, while low zone 40. They found the middle value of cost 0.45. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's end 0.42, change for April 14.3%. US to Axie expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.42 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.49, while lows is 42. They found the middle value of cost 0.45. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.46, change for May 9.5%. Dollar to Axie infinity conjecture for June 2026. At the outset cost at 0.46 coins. Excessive cost 0.48, while lows on 42. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 45. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.45, change for June to 2%. US to Axie expectation for July 2026. Before all else cost at 0.45 coins. Excessive cost 0.45, while lows on 36. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.41. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's ends in 38, change for July 15.6%. Dollar to Axie infinity conjecture for August 2026. To start with cost at 0.38 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.43, while lows in 37. They found the middle value of costs 40. The US to Axie estimate toward the month's ends in 40, change for August 5.3%. Dollar to Axie infinity conjecture for October 2026. To start with